or have ordering food? Of course, how may I help you? I want to order special fried rice and sweet iced tea. Okay, I take your order. Thank you. You're welcome. Please wait a moment. Your order will be served immediately. Hello, can I have a little salt? Can you please wait a moment? Excuse me, can I have the bill? Sure, here's your bill. Thank you very much. Enjoy your meal if you have anything else and hesitate